Mate holding on to second spot. Oh, look at Xavier Zayat trying. Oh,
Jason Aguilar goes down. That Nate Mintz just keeps it upright though, Greg. So I'm not exactly sure what happened.
For X-Star Suzuki, left part of your screen, Jay, the crash for Aguilar.
And I'm just looking to see. Oh, look, he did. He did hit the back of Brandon Posh with his body.